Parks and Recreation Department designated pump track.
I'm gonna try to follow him. Oh, Nigel, wait! Oh, he's gone.
What, you were waiting for me?
We're waiting for you.
Oh, you guys.
Oh yeah, you're a wizard, dog.
Hey guys, my name is Gabe Cruz. This is Uzi Dan. That is Nigel Ryan Jones. And we started this trip to San Diego. I had a cold, and now I'm slowly getting over my cold, but I've gotten them both sick.
But I got us medicine, and
He
now
sucks.
we're good to go.
So we were at the California training facility yesterday, and one of the dads came up to me and he was telling me about this pump track here at some location in San Diego. I don't really know where we're at. So I Googled it and I showed Nigel, and Nigel did a backflip and was like, bro, we need to go there. And I was like, okay. So now we're here, it's the next morning, and we're gonna go explore this pump track. So I don't really know what this video is gonna be, but a pump track it's a skate park still, right? I mean, it still counts.
It's a pump track.
But is it like a skate park?
It's a pump track.
And there's also a skate park right here that we're gonna go check out. So
Let's go check
let's go.
it out.
Let's go check it out, dog.
Whoa, bro.
Just trying to
Look
get
at
into
there's
it.
plants growing out of the metal, bro.
There's some weeds right there. A few plants, a little water thingy. I think Mowgli beat us here, which is surprising. Oh, what? This park is kind of sick, actually. With the forest there? Look at these legends, dude.
I'm gonna hit these stairs real quick.
All right, well, if you want to hit the stairs, you have to drop in here, hit the Euro gap, and then go.
We come back, we'll probably give. It's a small park. That's all I'm saying. Packed, small park.
San Diego is beautiful. I swear, I only lived here for 4 months. Best 4 months of my life. I'd do it all over again.
Okay, we have made it to the city of San Diego. Parks and Recreation Department designated pump track, open daily, 8 a.m. to sunset. Here it is, the most crowded skate park in San Diego. There are arrows on the ground symbolizing the direction in which to pump. And the faster you pump, faster you will go. And that's it. Physics. Science. I don't really know what else to say. Dan, you want to go on a run? Nigel, you gonna go? All right, let's go get Nigel.
I'm gonna try to follow him. Oh, Nigel, wait! Oh, he's gone. Ah, it's so hard. Oh, it's impossible. And there he goes.
You got it. Wait, did you try and follow me in film?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's not gonna work. That's fun. I feel like this one goes different ways. All right, exit. Okay, start. All right, there, this way. Wait.
Confusing. Woo!
I feel like this one.
This is like the beginner one.
Let me walk, show you my power.
Oh my god. Why? So we've been here waiting for Mr. Andy Anderson to arrive.
Oh, what, you were waiting for me?
We're waiting
Yeah.
for you.
Oh, you guys.
Welcome.
You kidding?
This is Olympian skater magician extraordinaire Andy Anderson. Wizard.
How's it going? I'm none of the above, but here's a magic trick. Okay, I'm just kidding.
You all day. I was really excited too. This is the San Diego pump track,
This looks really fun.
and I really wanted to get your genuine reaction, what
Like-
you thought of it.
I can't wait to see what the concrete feels like, and wow, like I think we're gonna get some really good collisions here today.
All right.
That's so awesome.
Can I warm up with you?
Yes, dude. Well, here's some grass. Let's check out how itchy it is. It's not that itchy. It's pretty good.
Might be a little poop right here, this close to the edge.
Doing it without even trying.
I'm always stretching, man.
Classic. I showed this to Nigel the other day. Sun salutation.
All right.
This is like a multi-movement with your breath. And it's
Finally got breathing back in my nose.
nice, dude. I
So-
think I lost mine today.
I know, it sucks.
Sun salutation. You ready?
Yeah.
Breathe in and then go down. Breathe out.
I remember it.
And then breathe in, straighten out your back, and then go back down. And put your hands out, walk into a high plank, and then breathe out and slowly do a slow push up and don't touch the ground. And then you lift up. Stretch out your back. Oh yeah, it's going. And then tuck your toes down and go into one of these downward butt real high. So the reason we do that is like you're flexing your back this way, and then you gotta flex it back the other way to like even it out.
Oh my god, Dan.
And then you walk up to your hands, stand up. So that's like a pretty unofficial version of it, but now we're gonna do.
That is unreal.
Now we're gonna do 4 more. You're in this all the way. Okay,
All
ready?
right, let's do it.
Ah! And then let's bring it back. In breath. Okay, that's a pretty good warm up for your first warm up. I got a few more I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this going.
Oh, I definitely can't do that.
Oh, now you gotta try.
Oh!
Just go forward with it, and then try to walk it back. See how far you can walk it back.
Oh!
That's pretty good, bro. Those are nice. Okay, I gotta empty out my back pockets. Whoa, man. Here's my favorite. My hip opener. Yeah, so you want to make a half swastika with your legs. You want to keep your back straight and get your heart over to your knee, and you go as far down as you can, and then you start to curve your back, and you go back up, and you just treat that like a push-up. So you do like 9 push-ups like that.
Dan, my left ass cheek.
5. Then on the 9th one, let's just chill down there, like go down to your elbows. Sometimes it helps me to like hook onto my foot. I don't know if that's healthy, but like it helps me pull it down further. As long as you're feeling it in your left ass cheek, it should be good.
Yep, I'm feeling it.
And we go to the other side. My middle name's a secret, but I always draw it with my feet.
You know, the one thing that I'm probably really good at is ankle stuff. Got those triple flips, boy.
So for the ankle one, I'll lift your knee up horizontal and then spell your whole name in all capital letters.
Why do I have the longest name? We're going. I'm not ambidextrous. That is why I can't switch flip.
You got a long name, so you just do it once through. I'm gonna do it twice.
All right, Andy, after you, brother.
Yeah, you wanna know a secret about balancing on rails?
Yeah.
If you hold your board below the rail, it's dramatically easier.
Why is that?
Because it's like one of those eagles that balances on their beak. Have you seen those? The toys?
No. Oh, yes.
You know what I'm talking about? The
Yeah.
birds have the wings that are out and it balances. Balances because the weight of the wings is below the tip of the beak. So if you're like down here, it's like, wow, so much more stable. No, it's not that easy, but it definitely helps.
I'm curious to see you in like a new environment.
Oh, dude, it's gonna be so good. I'm pretty good at localizing. This is my natural environment now, even though I've never been here before. Can't believe you guys waited for me. You're so nice. Dude, this looks insane. Oh. Okay, I think the best way to not crash into anybody is to follow somebody that looks like they know what they're doing.
Oh. Okay. And that is Andy Anderson. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Dude, there's so many options. Yeah. Dude, you can ollie from that track to this track.
Whoa! What? What?
Oh yeah, you're a wizard, dog.
Wow! I don't think this thing's been waxed. Oh! Nigel, what are you doing?
Flip, dog.
You can do it.
That's a rough one. Amazon.
I'll do a 1-footer on the board though.
Yeah? Oh my god, dude. What happened to your foot? Is it sprained or broken?
Broken.
You gotta sign a waiver. Okay, let me write up a waiver real quick.
He's writing up a waiver.
Writing up
right
a
now.
waiver.
Decision up to you guys. This guy's got a broken leg. Should I let him try my board?
Hi.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. Woo!
Dude, You're crazy, and that's what I like about you. That was insane.
Count it! So that was moderate ham, huh?
That was moderate. I think you can go a little bit above that.
Go a
See how
little
this
faster?
Oh,
looks.
that looks so good.
All right,
A little bit faster.
a little bit faster.
Okay. You ready?
Oh my gosh. He's going so fast. Yeah. Woo! That was dope.
I didn't look at this at all. I kind of just filmed.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Think I could like hop from this track to that track?
Like in this way? Absolutely.
Isn't watching Andy like the most satisfying thing ever?
Absolutely.
Oh, he did it! He freaking did it! Just chill, yeah, just whatever.
Whatever.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
It's not gonna be that.
Send it!
Yo, this is an absolute workout. Yeah, that's as far as I'm making it. I got to work out real quick.
Okay, that's a new goal for you guys. Skate for 9 months, then skate a pump track with 1 foot with a broken ankle.
Don't purposely break your ankle.
Well, that's
Kid's gonna be like, oh, that's how I do it? No!
Why is he like this? I'm good.
Yep.
Let's go medium rare speed.
Medium rare speed.
Dude, I filmed it so bad.
You don't understand. From right here, it looks so fun.
Really?
Yeah. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Whoa! That was absolutely amazing. And for those of you guys who didn't know the potential of a pump track, if you're lucky enough to have one in your community, check it out because the options are limitless. There's some videos right there, go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and definitely check out Andy Anderson, Mind Control Products, all that stuff will be right down there in the description below. Learn how to skateboard, and this can be you.